Hi guys, now we have here is the new Apple iPad 9th generation Wi-Fi. So ayan, includes iPad USB-C to lightning cable and USB-C power adapter. iPad. So now, let's open it. So we'll see what's inside. Today. Ooh. Oh. Ayan siya guys. New 9th gen iPad. So we'll turn it on. Malaki siya. Kasi meron kami nito iPad first generation mini. Kaso binato ni Potpot. Kaya nasira. Hello. So go for English. Straya. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad. Sign in and set up. Pwede natin gamitin yung iPhone ko. Which is, ayun. So, and guys, designed by Apple in California. Meron siyang charger na USB-C to lightning. And ito use the 3 dots on the sides of the iPad to attach. Oh, may sticker. Apple sticker, yeah. Wala na, yun lang. So, ayan guys. So, sticker. Before using iPad, review the iPad user guide at support apple.com. So everything is online now. So ayan guys, iPad, Apple Pencil. Okay. So ayun guys, let's set up the new iPad. So ayun guys, isa-set up natin yung bagong iPad. Press home to open. Okay. Bring your iPhone. Ayun, lumabas. Set up new iPad. Continue. Connecting. Enter your passcode on your phone. I can show you. May take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So yun guys, kung meron kayong old na Apple or Apple device, pwede nyo na siyang i-set up yung bago nyong device using your old device. Like, ayan. Continue. Place your finger. Yeah. On the button. Dito pala. Okay. Kala ko doon eh. So, ayan. Finger moved. Ah, okay. Ulit. So, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad device. Oh, ba't nawala? Back natin. So, Australia. Set up touch later. Don't use. Choose how you want to transfer apps to this iPad. So transfer directly from iPad.
So ayun guys, English, Australia. So quick start. Bring your current iPhone, iPad near this device. Ayan. Continue. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Finish on your iPad. Passcode on your iPhone. So ayun guys, kung meron kayong old iOS device, pwede nyo i-set up ang bago nyong iOS device just by scanning. So it's actually much easier. Hindi ka na mag-go through the, Touch ID. Use your fingerprint and press passcode. Continue. Place your finger. Ito niya.
Tumigil yung video.
Ayun. Adjust your grip. Keep going to capture the edges of your point. Continue. Edges. Complete. So ayun guys, terms and conditions. Yes.
Nakabidyo pa.
Yeah. So agree. back up. Set up as new iPad. Continue. Oh, later. Not now. Get started. Whee! So there it is, guys. It's the new iPad 9th Gen. So we got the messages. Okay. Allow messages to share whether you have notifications and when focus. Okay. So ayun guys. Wala pa siyang YouTube. App Store. YouTube.